Step into the gratitude vortex, where we release the day with gratitude so your mind unwinds, your heart softens, and a calm presence invites abundance. Welcome to a gentle evening reset. Exhale the noise, return to peace, and settle into steady confidence. Let's begin. I release the day with gratitude. I breathe out tension and welcome ease. Peace settles gentle over my mind and body. I am safe to rest and reset. I thank this day for its lessons and gifts. I let go of what I cannot change. My heart softens, my spirit steadies. I choose calm over worry. I trust myself to unwind fully. I allow quiet to restore me. Every exhale clears what I no longer need. I forgive the unfinished and release the rush. I am grateful for the progress I made. I honor my limits and care for my needs. I welcome gentle clarity into my evening. My inner voice speaks with kindness. I am held by stillness and grace. I return to center with every breath. I let the day fade and my peace begins. I am worthy of deep rest. I thank my body for carrying me. I thank my mind for learning and growing. I choose to end the day in appreciation. I release self-judgment and embrace compassion. I allow softness to soothe my edges. My home is a sanctuary of calm. I am present with this quiet moment. I trust the timing of my life. I let go of overthinking and invite serenity. I make room for gentle joy. I am grateful for the support around me. I rest in the truth, and I am enough. I am grounded, relaxed, and at ease. I place my hand on my heart and feel peace. I release tension from my shoulders and jaw. Take a gentle breath and let the day soften around you. Which affirmation is helping you release what you do not need and return to peace? Share the exact line you're choosing tonight. We'd love to hear what resonated for you. I soften my thoughts and slow my breath. I am calm, clear, and composed. I close the day with gratitude and grace. I acknowledge my efforts and let them be. I create space for quiet renewal. I trust that solutions will arise in their time. I allow sleep to heal and restore me. I release comparison and choose contentment. I welcome silence as a friend. I send love to every part of me. I gently put the day down. I choose peaceful thoughts now. I am guided back to stillness. I feel the calm within me expand. I honor my boundaries and protect my peace. I allow my breath to lead the way. I recognize the good that unfolded today. I let gratitude close every open loop. I am comfortable with what is and hopeful for what comes. I soften into evening's quiet light. I am held, supported, and steady. I choose rest over resistance. I appreciate the small, tender moments. release urgency and embrace ease. I am free to relax completely. I let peace fill every corner of my mind. I am thankful for the love I give and receive. I align my thoughts with calm and clarity. I welcome gentle renewal in every breath. I trust the night to replenish me. I close the day with a grateful heart. I let quiet strengthen my spirit. I am ready to drift into deep, healing rest. I release the day and keep the wisdom. I feel peace within and all around me. I begin again tomorrow, rested, grateful, and aligned. Thank you for joining us here in the Gratitude Vortex. We hope these affirmations have inspired you to embrace gratitude, positivity, and abundance into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Your journey to happiness and prosperity starts with small moments of thankfulness. So, keep the momentum going. Let's continue to grow and thrive in gratitude. Until next time, stay positive, stay grateful, and step boldly into the vortex of abundance, one thought at a time.